The universe doesn't care about your rules. Reality isn't made of neat little categories. But what if everything, literally everything, came from something undefined? What if the foundation of existence itself had no limits? Anaximander thought so. He called it the Apeiron, the boundless infinite source of all things. And today, we're going to explore how one of the first philosophers dared to ditch mythology and redefine the origins of the cosmos. Ancient Greece was basically the Wild West of philosophy. Everyone was throwing around theories, trying to one-up the gods, and laying the groundwork for modern science. And smack in the middle of all this was Anaximander of Miletus, a student of Thales, and a guy who took one look at his teacher's water is the source of everything theory and said, yeah, no. The world, Anaximander argued, was way too complex to come from something as basic as water. So instead he proposed the Apeiron, an undefined, limitless source that wasn't any one thing but had the potential to be everything. If that sounds vague, well, it was. But that was the point. The word Apeiron literally means without limits. Not water, not air, not fire, but something beyond them all. Think of it as the OG multiverse theory before physics even existed. Now, we don't have Anaximander's own writings, because, time eats everything. But later, thinkers like Aristotle and Simplicius gave us glimpses of what he meant. According to Anaximander, everything in the cosmos started as a messy soup inside the Apeiron, and through separation of opposites, hot versus cold, wet versus dry, the world as we know it emerged. And here's where it gets wild. He was one of the first people in recorded history to suggest that the Earth floats in space without support. No turtles, no giants, just a self-sustaining rock chilling in the void. He also believed in a kind of cosmic justice. Things emerge from the Apeiron, exist for a while, and then return to it. Basically, the ultimate circle of life, but less the Lion King and more the cold, indifferent march of the universe. Naturally, not everyone was on board with this idea. His own student, Anaximenes, thought air was the fundamental element, while Aristotle criticized the Apeiron for being too vague, which is fair. It's like describing the internet as big and full of stuff. Still, Anaximander's influence was massive. Later Greek and Roman thinkers, including the Stoics and even early cosmologists, played with similar ideas of an infinite, self-sustaining universe. And today, modern physics, especially discussions on the expanding universe and quantum fields, owes a weird philosophical debt to this guy from the 6th century BCE, who looked at the chaos of existence and thought, there's something deeper going on here. So what do you think? Was Anaximander onto something? Is the universe actually boundless, or are we just bad at defining it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you in the next video.